Okay, this is with my switch fabrication, that little bracket attached to it with the 2 Phillips head screws, and this is going to be a test of that to make sure it's working good. I do have it adjusted, so I think it's okay. Tried it a couple of times already, and I'm going to bring the top up. And what this is going to do, that little rod is going to activate that little toggle switch down there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I think it did. It must have, because the deck lid came down. So, and the soft top header came down kind of soft, which is what we want. Sorry about the bright light. Okay, let's go back, and it should deactivate when the top goes down. This will be with the deck lid going up. Coming down. Snaps on. I have to fix that. There's that. And the deck lid coming down. Pretty cool. Let's try it again. Make sure it goes up the right way again. The deck lid going up. And the top coming up. Switch down there. We can see it. Too far away, I can't really see it. The top came down on the header nice and easy, and we're done. There it is. Thankfully I got a picture from somebody of what the bracket looked like, and took a little while to make one up, but worked good. And I had a piece of rod from an old radio control setup I had from my RC planes, threaded on the end so that it shows, so that it's adjustable. Let me bring it up and take a quick picture of that. Shot of that adjustment feature. Sorry about shaking camera today, but it's a little tight in here. I think you can see it. And it's threaded down the bottom. I put the spring and a spacer in there so I have room for adjustment. And it works pretty well. That long lever is when the top comes down. That's what tells the deck lid to come down also. The top goes down all the way. You'll see that long toggle switch flip down right about now, and that tells the deck lid to come down. And there we go. The end.